Greetings, beautiful. My name is Imani Evans Baskin. I have a question for you. What are you waiting for to get registered for the Self-Care 2.0 in 2020 workshop for women just like you, women who need a break, women who do so much for other people and rarely think of putting themselves first, women who have big dreams, big goals, and big visions for 2020 and beyond. That woman who is starting a business, that woman who went back to school, that woman who is a mom and a spouse, that woman who is you. I don't have to tell you how dangerous stress can be to your life. You know what the statistics are. You know that it can be damaging not only to your body, but to your mind and to your soul. This self-care workshop is 3 hours and we are going to dive deep. Let me tell you, we're going to have lots of fun. We have door prizes, things that you can take home and use for your wellness beyond that day. But we're just going to have fun and we're going to dive deep and talk about all the things that will give you that restoration of self. We're going to talk about healthy boundaries, how to get off the hamster wheel of overfunctioning, being a fixer, how to be a helper without being an overfunctioner. Listen, if you are on that path, we're going to give you the tools to get off the hamster wheel, or we're going to give you the tools to avoid it altogether, and how to have healthy boundaries. We're going to give you mindfulness tools so that you can be present and one with your emotions, your spirit, your body, and your energy, and stand fully in your power. We are going to have a time where you develop a written self-care plan that you're going to take home with you to give you that clarity that you need moving forward for your overall wellness, not just in one area of your life, but all the areas of your life. Look, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be with you because when women come together, powerful things happening. So I just want you to get registered. It's March 28th. Grab your bestie, grab your work friend, grab the woman walking down the street, right? Because we know we can all use it. And you are worth the time, energy, and $49 investment. So click the link, get registered, and I'll see you then, March 28th at 10 a.m. in Stone Mountain. Until then, take good care of yourself. I wish you peace. And I wish you love.